Welcome back to Island Life Live, restoring the lives, businesses, and communities of Hawaii for over 20 years. Premier Restoration Hawai'i is no ka'oi at fixing the damage done by water, fire, mold, and storms.
How do we know this? Because you voted them Best of Hawaii. And joining us right now is Blair Suzuki. He's the president and CEO of Premier Restoration Hawai'i. How's it, bro?
Hey, good. Thanks for having me.
Welcome back and congratulations. You guys have won the Best of Hawaii 5 years in a row. So again, ho'omaikai, what, I just really want to know, I mean, we kind of already know, but what makes Premier uniquely positioned to help our communities right here in Hawaii?
Yeah, thanks, Davey. You know, first off, we're super honored and humbled to be recognized by the viewers of KITV for 5 years in a row now. It's, as a local company that we've been in business over 20 years, we take our local reputation seriously, and so we're just super grateful that the community continues to recognize the good work we do. But what makes us special is, we specialize in water, fire damage, smoke damage. You pretty much name it. If you've seen it in your house, we can take care of it. But we're statewide. We're the largest locally owned restoration company. We have offices on Oahu, Big Island, Maui, and Kauai.
Wow.
And yeah, so we can pretty much handle any problems homeowners have out there.
I love that.
We see you guys vans and vehicles all over the place.
You guys busy.
Yeah, you see them out with the
definitely.
When we see the van drive, we're like, oh, there's a job. They got a job. Now, Premier provides the most comprehensive care from everything from emergency response to rebuilding, yes?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're actually a fully licensed general contractor. Not a lot of people know that. So that's good because we can take care of everything from the initial emergency response to all the way to putting your house back together like nothing ever happened.
So it's not just removing the mold and the pieces with it, but actually truly restoring that area.
We'll rebuild it. We'll rebuild your cabinetry, your walls, drywall, put paint back, everything.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So you're not going to just leave one big puka in our walls and stuff like that?
That has actually happened at our house.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we had some water damage. It went from the second floor to the first floor. The guys came in, this is before we owned the house, we were renting, the guys came in, they took the hole and then just left the gaping hole. And we're like, okay, so you can see
you never
into the
call
ceiling.
Premier.
I know, you know what, my landlord never called Premier. My landlord never called me Premier, but now I own the house, I go and call Premier.
So we'll take care of it, and one of the unique things we do too is we're very proud of how we document the damage so that, and we'll also help you work with your insurance
for those claims.
For the claims if it turns into a claim. So so we try and provide a full wraparound service for residents to make. We know it's a challenging time when they call us and it's stressful. And so we just try to just embrace the situation, treat every customer with aloha and make sure we do right by them.
Wow. One phone call, you get you can do the assessment, do the repairs, and then work with the insurance company. Oh man, I just feel like at ease right now. This is awesome. That's why you guys are the best of Hawaii. We got about a minute left, and I wanted to ask you, Blair, what are the first telltale signs that you might have mold festering in the walls?
Yeah, so we like to catch it early. So we always tell people look for signs of water damage, right? You want to look for discoloration, bubbling paint, any warping, things like that. And then of course, as you start to see after discoloration, you usually start to see the little spores, the mold, right? The little black spots or little fuzzies. We don't want that. So
don't wait for the fuzzies.
Don't wait for the fuzzies.
That should be a shirt.
Yeah,
don't wait for the fuzzies. Call Premier now.
At the first signs of problems, and even now since it's hurricane season, right? So if you're noticing, we just had rains this morning, if you start seeing leaks or things like that, take care of it now, right? Before something big happens, and then you're in
big costs.
Real doo-doo.
And I heard you guys clean that up too. Not just
we do actually.
Hey, he said it. Blair Suzuki, he's our president and CEO of Premier Restoration Hawai'i. I love this, the confidence of a 5-time winner.
Remember, don't wait for the fuzzies.
Don't wait for the fuzzies, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, brother. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right, now if it's your birthday today, you share it with Mark Wahlberg, Brian McKnight, and Kenny G. Ooh.
Well, guess what? After the break, we're going to celebrate your birthday right here on Island Life Live.